Hello, welcome back to Sarah Mama's YouTube channel. So today we're going to make a homemade disinfectant. Why? Because as we know that the hottest issues around the world are about coronavirus. So like people is going to must be aware about this virus. Like actually there are a lot of preventive ways to fight this virus, like the most known as like stay at home, and then that we have to be aware about our healthy, like boost our immune by have a healthy food, and also healthy food and lifestyle. So like we also have to be aware to the clean and hygiene things. So like now, like everywhere we go, like we usually brings our like hand sanitizer, and then wipes, tissue, or maybe if you need it, you also can use mask. So like as we know that maybe like this past 10 days, like we stay at home, but sometimes that we still have something to do outside. So like maybe the best way to do if you're going to be outside, like you have to bring the things that I told before about hand sanitizer and so on. And also maybe disinfectant is something that we need when you are from outside and you're going back to your home. Like let's say when we are going to have grocery shopping, or maybe as the key worker, like my husband is still working because he is a key worker. He work in a food industry. So like when he comes home, like I have to make sure that everything is clean. Like disinfectant, like we can spray it to the bags, or maybe coats, or the jackets, shoes, and then so on. So like it's make us more comfort, like feeling safety by trying as hygiene as we can. And also like wash our hand as much as we can, like don't touch our face or something like that. And also about making this disinfectant, I read a journal from the World Health Organization. So I'll put the link below, and you also can read about it. So it took actually like basically it's really easy to make this home disinfectant. So if you have read the journal, that you will find that to make homemade disinfectant, the things that you need is a sodium hypochlorite, which is you can find it in the bleaching liquid. But in the bleaching liquid, like the concentrate is 5%. The one that we need for the disinfectant is only 0.05%. So let's try to make it together. So here we only need these three things to make a homemade disinfectant. The first one is this one, or what we call white sodium hypochlorite. Here in the bleaching liquid for wash, and I bought it from Home Bargain, but I believe that you can find it everywhere from the grocery store, I mean. And then that one is for spraying the disinfectant, and I bought it in Wilco. This one is the measuring cup, like to make sure that we have the right and the proper measuring of the liquid. Okay. So it's very simple to make it. Like if you want to make 1000 milliliter of the disinfectant, like you only need to put 10 milliliter of the bleaching liquid. So here I will fill in this tube. Like this tube is contain 10 milliliter, and I will fill this like exactly full. So I will throw it here like the 10 milliliter of the bleaching liquid, and after that I will fill in this one with the water until it's full of 1000 milliliter. Yeah, like that. Okay, so like this one is the bleaching liquid, and the next step is I only need to add a water to this jug. So I'll put the water like here. Make sure that we have the right proportion of the water and the bleaching. It's not 1000 yet, so I'll fill it again. Not yet, right? A little bit more. Yes, I think it's already 1000. Okay, then the next step, like we can put it into this place, this spraying place. So like just put it here to make easier to use it. And okay, I'll put it in here. Okay, like I make it like quite slowly. Okay, done. And yeah, trying to maybe for the first thing, like I can shake it a little to make it well balanced. And yeah, it's done. Like we have our homemade disinfectant with us, 1000 ml. So like, let me check, is it working or not? The sprayer, it's new though. Oh yeah, it's working. So let's try again. Like, okay, it's working. So this is it. I have my own disinfectant. Like, so guys, it's really easy to make it. You can make it by your own self. Then yeah, be aware of these corona issues. Like stay healthy, like healthy lifestyle. Then yeah, be aware to the hygiene things and boost your immune. Like hope everything got well as soon as. So we are going to try our homemade disinfectant that we have made. Now see, it's my husband. He just come home from his work. So what I usually do every day, like this. Like I spray his coat, his bag, and everywhere. Like yeah, something like that. You know, it's just like to make us more comfortable because he is from outside. So I think it's enough. Babe, turn off. Wait a minute. Okay. So this disinfectant also we can use like to spray in our public space, like here, like in my room, in front of the key, how to call it, I don't know. So after we spray it, we swipe it, something like that. And also also like this, like we have the for the kitchen. So here we are, now we are in the kitchen. Since like my accommodation have a sharing kitchen, so I usually use the disinfectant to spray like in the public space, like in here. So before I put my plate or my food or everything here, so I make sure that I spray it and swipe it, like yeah, in here. Like I usually put my food in here and I make sure that it's clean, so I can put the food and also my plate. And I do it because of this kitchen is a sharing kitchen, like I use it with others friends, so yeah, I feel more safe and comfortable if I already use the disinfection before I use the kitchen. Okay, bye. Okay, if you find my video is useful, like you can share it to other people. Bye.